I got a little sound system from my Uncle Carson. He gave it to me. Two speakers, two big old PA speakers with brand new subwoofers inside them and stuff. It's a 150 EX, or EX 150. And a soundboard, it got like six lines. Real nice. Said only got 6 lines. That I one with like 8 or something, or 12. Probably it would be really good for like while we could have some drums in it or something. Also for like have a little recording something with like a little 8-track deck, you know. Record on 8-track might sound real warm, organic, wonderful. Like the mountain goats, you know, like them.
Really?
He spit on me.